This is the arcade system we have here at the house. If you want to turn this on and play games, first you got to go around to the back of the machine, down by the plug. You gotta reach your hands in there. There's a power switch to turn this on. So that boots all the lights up on the machine, but it is still not on at this point. Now, right underneath on the right side, there's a round button right here. You gotta push this button. And that will boot up the actual arcade system. There we go. This is a two-player system, so all you need to do is, so if you see these buttons here on the actual system, these buttons here are typically to play the games. You have your joystick, you have a trackball. To actually go around and do anything, all I did was push up on here. This gets you into all the different systems that there are. There's about, I don't know, 40 or 50,000 games on this thing. But these are all the different systems. When you find a system that you want, you can push these buttons here along the top. This first button is the back button. This will take you backwards. This button is the select button. This is one you want to push if you want to select something. So if I wanted to select this system, I push this button and it's going to bring me into that system. From there, it's going to show me all the different games that are available in that system. So if I want to play any of these games, I would just push the select button again, and it's going to load that game. If I don't want to play this game, push the back button. Back button takes me out. Takes me back to the choice here. If I'm in the game itself, these buttons up here, this one functions the same as a select button. This button here, to the extent you have an arcade game that deals with credits, this adds credits to the game. So rather than put quarters in, you can just push this and it gets you credits in the game. When you are done playing, in order to shut this down, and in order to shut this down properly, you have to push the back button until the point where it tells you, do you want to exit? So if I push the back button, it's going to take me back to the systems, push the back button, and it says, would you like to exit? At this point, you have to select the select button. It's going to shut the system down. It's an actual computer in there, so it has to be shut down the right way. And then we'd ask that when you're done, just come back, turn the power off, and it's completely shut down now at this point.